Have you ever looked at a pyramid and felt an unexplainable sense of awe? These colossal structures have stood for millennia, guarding secrets we're only beginning to understand. Forget everything you think you know about dusty tombs in the desert. Prepare to uncover the hidden engineering brilliance and mind-bending mysteries of pyramids. In this video, we're going beyond basic history to explore the true marvel of these ancient wonders. I'm about to reveal insights that will change how you see pyramids forever. And trust me, what we discover will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about the past. Let's start with the sheer scale, a point that often gets overlooked. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for instance, is made of over 2.3 million stone blocks. Each block weighs an average of 2.5 tons, some even reaching 80 tons. Imagine moving just one of those blocks with the technology of 4,500 years ago. It seems almost impossible, doesn't it? Yet, the ancient Egyptians did it not just once, but millions of times. But here's a question that often goes unasked. How did they actually lift and place these colossal stones? Conventional theories propose ramps and levers, which are plausible but insufficient to explain the precision. Recent research suggests a more nuanced approach, including internal ramps within the pyramid itself. Imagine spiral ramps winding inside, allowing for a more controlled ascent and placement. This isn't just speculation. Ground-penetrating radar is revealing intriguing internal structures. This changes everything about our understanding of pyramid construction. Think about the precision, too. The Great Pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal directions. We're talking about accuracy within fractions of a degree, achieved without modern instruments. How did they accomplish this level of precision in 2600 BC? Some theories point to celestial alignments and sophisticated astronomical observations. They may have used the stars and constellations as guides for their monumental construction projects. But wait, it gets even more intriguing when we delve into the tools they used. Forget lasers and power tools. The Egyptians primarily used copper chisels, dolerite hammers, and stone tools. How effective could these tools be against granite and limestone? Experiments show that copper chisels, though soft, could effectively cut stone with the addition of abrasive sand. Dolerite hammers, harder than granite, were used for shaping and dressing the blocks. It's a testament to their ingenuity and understanding of material science. Speaking of ingenuity, let's address the labor force behind these megastructures. Popular culture often portrays slaves toiling under harsh conditions. However, evidence suggests a different reality. Archaeological discoveries at worker villages near Giza reveal organized labor forces. These were skilled craftspeople, likely working in shifts and receiving rations and even medical care. Inscriptions suggest these workers took pride in their work, even naming their teams. It wasn't forced labor, but a national project involving a significant portion of the Egyptian population. But here's where the pyramid story takes an unexpected turn. Beyond engineering marvel, pyramids hold enigmas that continue to baffle scientists today. Consider the so-called King's Chamber and Queen's Chamber within the Great Pyramid. Despite their names, there's no definitive evidence they were ever intended for royalty. In fact, neither chamber has ever yielded a mummy or royal artifacts. This begs the question, what was their true purpose, if not tombs? Some researchers propose they were resonant chambers, designed for energy concentration. The pyramid shape, internal shafts, and specific stone types could have played a role in this. Acoustic studies within the pyramid reveal unusual sound properties and resonance frequencies. Could the pyramids have been designed to harness or manipulate some form of energy? It sounds like science fiction, but scientific investigations are ongoing. Another baffling aspect is the shafts emanating from the chambers. These narrow passages, some only a few inches wide, point towards specific stars and constellations. The Orion constellation is a recurring alignment linked to the Egyptian god Osiris. But why build these precisely aligned shafts deep within a stone structure? Were they for symbolic purposes, aligning with the afterlife? Or could they have served a more practical, yet unknown, function? The mystery deepens when we consider the lack of detailed construction blueprints. No surviving plans or detailed instructions for pyramid construction have ever been found. Imagine undertaking a project of this scale without any written guidelines. It suggests knowledge was passed down through oral tradition and master builders' expertise. This implies a level of knowledge and skill that is almost unimaginable. Now, you might be thinking, Egypt isn't the only place with pyramids, and you'd be right. Pyramids appear across the globe in various cultures. Mesoamerica, particularly in Mayan and Aztec civilizations, boasts impressive pyramids. These aren't just imitations. They developed independently with distinct styles and purposes. Consider the Mayan pyramids, like Chichen Itza's El Castillo. They served as temples and astronomical observatories, not primarily as tombs. During equinoxes, the setting sun casts a serpent-like shadow down El Castillo's staircase. This incredible phenomenon demonstrates advanced astronomical and architectural knowledge. Even in Sudan, along the Nile, you find hundreds of pyramids, more than in Egypt. These Nubian pyramids are smaller and steeper, built centuries after the Egyptian ones. They reflect a cultural connection and influence, yet a unique pyramid tradition. The worldwide distribution of pyramids poses a fascinating question. Did different cultures independently arrive at the pyramid shape for specific reasons? Or is there a deeper, perhaps forgotten, connection between these ancient societies? The answer, like many pyramid mysteries, remains elusive. But what we do know is pyramids are more than just ancient monuments. They are testaments to human ingenuity, ambition, and a profound connection to the cosmos. They challenge our understanding of history and push the boundaries of what we believe possible in the ancient world. So what should you take away from this exploration of pyramids? Firstly, pyramids are incredible feats of engineering, built with remarkable precision and ingenuity. Secondly, they are not just tombs. Their purposes were likely multifaceted and more complex than we assume. Thirdly, pyramids worldwide highlight a shared human aspiration to connect with something larger than ourselves. The mysteries surrounding pyramids are far from solved, and that's what makes them so captivating. They invite us to ask questions, to challenge assumptions, and to keep exploring the past. What unanswered pyramid question intrigues you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and let's start a discussion. If you enjoyed unraveling these ancient secrets, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more explorations of history's greatest enigmas. And if you want to dive even deeper, check out my video on the lost technologies of ancient Egypt. There's always more to discover just beneath the surface. Perhaps the greatest pyramid mystery is not about the past, but about inspiring our future curiosity.